Okay, the technician. New technician tonight. Alright, we're good. Yeah, yeah. Good night. Good night, everybody. For the people there, funny, the diaspora. I want to say good night to each and every one of you guys, everybody with the sweat, the fret, whether or not we are command. Right? But this is how we do it, man. The winner kind of, you know how we ancestors say, when we go in, when we protect ourselves. We're not alone for the outside tonight. So we're in at the studios, right? Good night to everybody, home and abroad. This is our least special, quick, because a lot of things that happen, not only in our country, Belize, but we neighbor. We neighbors and they go well with peoples, then they go through a lot right now. Maurice, good night.
Good night, Jimmy. Good night, people.
What's going on? Yeah. Good night and welcome again to another special edition of South Coast podcast. Will you share that? Will you share the video or no?
Yeah, well, sure. Yeah, let me go ahead and share.
Yeah,
Because as your technician, because
Yeah,
technician Jen Gan.
what? Already?
Jen Gan already.
As Pakiko you run?
Jen Gan.
Man.
Then got to package just to make sure everything
Everything's
balanced.
plugged in. Paki, we are teaching this thing. You know, like MC announce game, you are be technician too. But Maurice, we not focus on the things that where they happen in our country. Because when I log on this morning, I mean when you call me, it me kind of sad when I log on and say when will it happen that Honduras. Then I have one of my personal brother where me and him in the chat and man, it's so sad, man. Right, to make our brothers and sisters they go through it in what San Juan
San Juan by
San Juan
Mandela.
San Juan Honduras. Then it move way off of the beach. Maurice. Share the video.
Well, we can't, with technician.
The technician gone, so that
So we have to.
we have for the hand, the tag, and do all the works. So we have big way for an excuse where I leave it tonight. Right? Because we don't usually do it like this.
Yeah, but let's not talk about that because we share it this morning.
Yeah.
The same video what we watch right now. Where more than 200 officers, police officers, and national police evicted Garinagu community on San Juan Honduras. Why?
Alright.
It's so sad. If you guys could please check it out on the page.
Yeah. Sure. Something there. I want on the mic. On the radio. By about man. A race. By chance we people by.
Yeah, and ladies and gentlemen, true I truly say, and this is a special show tonight. We're not gonna be long because then
It's special, yeah.
right, it's our situation that could happen here, that could have possibly happened here, So Garifuna, we're talking about Garinagu being expelled out of their town, in San Juan Tela.
And want beat we and take we off our
That's
land.
why, we want to sell the land from San Juan. I mean, a lot of we come from San Juan.
Yeah, my granny off on that side.
And we have to, we're in solidarity with our people in San Juan. And actually, I know you don't hear about it, but let me on the show if you don't mind, right?
Please highlight me.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, and if it happen, it happened. But tonight, what we're playing tonight, we want to raise some funds to our people in San Juan, right? And we have connections over there. Before we do that, we want to go to demonstrate in front of the Honduras embassy in Belize City on Monday morning.
All right.
Right, Monday morning. I'm taking out the permit tomorrow. I'm going to do that tomorrow. So in the meantime, I already shoot some text to 25 people. You know who you are. Those 25 people, I just want $50 from you. The bus will cost $900, right? I will put the first $100. So please share this live. We're going to Belize City. We get the bus, Tyrone Nunes. You don't give me a quotation, but if any like Ty, I mean, $900 right now these days very hard to get. Okay, but if we all chip in,
we could do it.
And we want to go to Belize City. They say, Allah, I call you tonight. I never call you tonight. We need you for this.
We need the help.
We need the help, right? I call you, I'm flying after this stubborn. That's some money we don't really, we think about giving first before we ask. So this is very important. People, we need to go to Belize City on Monday morning, first thing as the embassy open. We want to go pick it in front of that office.
You see this, some of the info where I get this morning that I never know that the people left on San Juan, that way, they right now the Hopkins.
Well, they are here too. I mean, I went to San Juan.
That's to say, but most of the people where they Hopkins are from San Juan.
Yeah, exactly. You're right. Man, I had the privilege I got to San Juan 2 times. That was in the same week, right? Because I gone and stopped there, come back and stop there again. So 2 times I got to San Juan. And a very beautiful big beach, man. And that's what they want to make a developed place. They want to take the people out of San Juan Tela. It's what is so significant about San Juan tree is because San Juan is a pivotal point in the Garifuna history where they massacre, they have our people dig their own grave before they bury them and they shoot them, put them in 1937. This happened quite recently. And then a lot of people, that's when a lot of people came to
it is because we run
Hopkins. That's what we're talking about. They run for prosecution.
Yeah.
some of the people came at night and told the villagers to get out because they can kill them. Some those that didn't believe stayed. Those that believed came to believe. So that's why you're right. Actually, a lot of people from Hopkins is from San Juan.
San Juan, yes, right. A lot of
so
people.
You're absolutely right. If you look, when you go to San Juan, there is a plaque. There's a plaque there actually with all the names of the people that was killed. Yeah. The grave is right there. It's right there. Yeah, it's right there. I have a picture of it on my phone. I shared it last week. I will share it again, but sometimes people watch us doing a lot of partying and stuff. But the seriousness of this thing, we have to highlight it actually.
Have to, man.
I thank that you came in and to the South Coast podcast here tonight.
Because and the main thing that about what happened, you see, all the were in a high parliament and they discuss a lot of stupidness. There are some of the matters where the need to take the United Nations, right? Human Rights Commission. And when we had to go have big meeting, lobby for this and lobby for that. And want the threshold go higher for 10,000 there, and some of the things we fight for. Right? Because what they're doing, I look on that video. We people they have to defend themselves. The beach are for we.
And up on the beach, you got the people that say
that go far. We live on the beach I will live for a farm with that with men with source of life.
Garifuna people, Paki. They lash out.
Right? So if we people have a stone and protect and man. I want to share that video on the page.
I want to share this video again. But this is serious thing, people. Where we share a serious thing right there.
We need to come together, we need to gather stuff and help the people there. Like we say Monday we have protest front of the Honduran embassy in Belize City. Right?
Yes, Monday that's the plan.
All right.
We go to Belize City and protest front of the Honduras embassy. The government of Honduras is behind this. They're the one behind this. So they need to know that we are standing in solidarity with our people in Honduras. Okay. Where we come from, yes, we come from we have same vision, but we stop.
How about
right? You got the Reyes, you got the Mejia, you have the Arzus, the Flores,
the Petios,
Arzu, the Petios, those Hernandez. Our people in San Juan take a lick right now, but look at all the police, a Garifuna people, and after 200 officers in a village, San Juan is a village.
Leave it at people.
Leave it at people. You see, they want to kill you, they want to take you from the land. So, San Juan, we are with you.
Right.
We are with San Juan.
Right. I tell the wrong set of people because you see, the beach, so pretty, that they we enjoy life, Maurice. Why they not stay in the jungle where they? Sorry if we say it like that, but we Garifuna people are fishing and farming. We live on the coast. Even in a Belize, you could see it. We live on the coast.
Yeah, we're not coastal rats, man.
Yeah. That's why we have South Coast Podcast Raw.
Yeah.
Right? Of course. We stay upon the waters.
Like we livelihood, man.
Yep.
What I will do, actually, I'll go in the back right there and see if I could put this on. So people really need to see what we're talking about. That's how we're talking about tonight.
We are sure. Yeah. You go there, do that. And while we want to share some video this morning, a couple of days ago, of situation that occur in.
I want to try the Paki.
Paki, all the song is. You want to show it on the front of that? Yeah. No man, we don't do the kind of thing on that technician.
We want a real deal.
We want it real.
Yeah, make a send it again to my Then
you send it to that.
All right. Oh, so why? I gotta send it to myself.
That's why
I
you
supposed
know
to send it to that
you're
one name, and I say, yeah, all right, good. That's why I'm not going. I'm not send it.
going on. Remember we swap
Yeah, what's up?
for one page for the next.
Yes,
You
yes,
don't
yes.
catch me.
Yeah.
So every
Yeah.
time I have to check my phone, I have to swap and swap. Who? Wait. Wait. Oh.
Aye, boy. Why?
Alright guys, you can share the live, comment, you can be a part of the conversation. But we are trying our best to show you some of the videos of what occurred this morning in San Juan Honduras. Right? So big up Clive Palacio, Mr. Lewis. I want to say good night. Yes, then they tried drive with people for half of the beach. All right, the president or the prime minister, I don't know, send 200 security forces to evacuate the Garinagu people off the beach. And it really hurt me when I see it, right? That and even me want to have a show tonight. But it's only right that we command for make the nation know. Sister, like what I mentioned, who don't hear it, make I say it again. For the people in a parliament, in a high authority, instead of the out there, they do a lot of the thief will. We don't have to care the message of the United Nations, right? That how this is where they go on, we name us, right? Human Rights Commission, we need to take this to United Nations about and send the video there about what happened at Honduras.
You may get a WhatsApp. You don't get. You get WhatsApp too.
Yeah, I got the WhatsApp. I got all of them. I think all everything active right now.
Why?
Right? So I say good night to Sharon M. Martinez, Patricia,
I can't do it by.
Thomas Castillo. No worry, we are put it on the page. Dean Ja, big up yourself, Ja. But when you could go up on YouTube, make I tell you now, make I see where I may actually do this morning. I tell you, I have got two phones right now because it hot. You can't get one phone and do the job, right? And technology now is different, all right? But I put Honduras war happening now live, and why? When I put that, I get the full access. So
are we still live?
Yeah, we're live. We're still live. We're live here. I think yeah. So we're live. So we're today.
Yeah,
we're good.
You got an iPhone 17 at least, so pour me.
We have to monitor.
I still got days and then I still got a 16.
Yeah, but we're upgrade. We need we upgrade, so we upgrade. See?
Good night, Bernadette Martin Callis, right? Teachers win and big up the president at BNTU, right?
They're locking.
They're locking Thomas Mariano, locking, right? Berry Haven, she's locked in as well.
Etel Lewis, that's the sound.
Well, maybe you know what we'll do it the old fashioned way, like package just to make at least
make them see it.
Yeah. By Dean Flores, by
Ja
Wild, man. Say our people have appreciated what we have by living on the coast. Take care of it.
See, I could do this.
You make a zoom in for that.
I could do this and then you zoom in and leave it there. Make with people.
Make a seat, make that. The technician not there, but see what happens when we take a lick.
When they take a lick.
I'll cut off this light and
then I'll play this back. Right?
Make people see it. Because later, them that's our best we could show no.
Yeah, they have so much clips there.
Show that tree. I'll zoom in on it.
This is the first one.
Why? All right, good.
right? That
Carry
me
don't leave it at tree. Carry don't leave it right there.
the first
right.
one where they actually they no zoom on this. So with people this is when they gone in and the village with the unload of armed forces. The
You gone off? You gone off at tree?
no man it gone.
Yeah.
Halfway. It ain't you know.
To be honest.
But remember the armed forces come in like a thief in the night. See it? It ain't.
Why? Look there.
They come like what?
For that big army truck.
Yeah, they come with unload of people, man. I tell you this thing hurt me this morning. I don't eat for since then. Like I don't got appetite for eat. You see, this is how they gone in at San Juan this morning. With family, with people, the community, the village. They got to move we for half of the beach, man. No,
we are with the beach boys.
And we the beach boys. We like we ratty. We like we leave fish. This is how we raise, this is how we live. Garifuna people live for the beach and farm. We do farming and fishing.
We like the crab.
You know? Now if we can move it from a peaceful, rightful spot, it's wrong, Maurice.
Wrong, yes.
It's wrong, Maurice.
Why look there?
Look there, you see how they gone in there, you see? You see how they gone in there?
Let's keep it steady, actually. Keep it steady.
Right, make a brace. Right.
Oh!
For me, Paki. Open that for me. We got all the tools here. I the strain.
All right. Boy, huh?
But come on back, Maurice. Yeah, man. We got all the tools.
And we the play around.
And we the player. We Paki. Make them say how Paki the sleep.
Look how Paki is sleeping as studio, ladies and gentlemen.
We sleep.
Yeah. And he quick for answer.
Yeah.
He will answer you.
Yeah, sleep.
See, but I think that's when coffee.
Yeah, actually.
All right. So you got it, and then you carry it up.
It left it there, it's steady.
Yeah. See?
Yeah, it's steady, boy.
You zoom no. Then I'm a monitor, yeah.
Yeah.
Take Paki.
Yeah, too easy.
So easy the thing.
Yeah.
I have to teach you the thing, yeah. Because Jen Runway, you saw Jen Runway for away, right?
Okay, no one land.
You know what, land. See, this is what happened, man. See there. All right, folks, bear with me. With technician now there, me and Maurice of age, the technology, they go left way.
Yeah.
So, this is how we could bring it to our bed. We try our best for showing us some of the footage of what occurred this morning in Honduras, San Juan, Honduras. All right, they gonna have to move with people's there. So we will make it. We are take our stand here as well for defend we people.
Defend with turf, right?
Yeah, because that for we. Look how much police. Look how much security force.
Unnecessary, boy. Unnecessary.
Bye. You don't fear, man. You don't fear.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Just all right, well.
That's how we got there right there. Yeah, if you know. We don't zoom back. But make a find another video there. Make a try find another.
Yeah, find another video that tree. But ladies and gentlemen, again, this is what we try to show. Right? Sorry about, when they try, make us see where we try
show
understand and what we try show what happened in San Juan right now. Honduras, the way we come from. And you can look for it on your own on YouTube. There's a lot of the videos going around, but just like you actually, I couldn't sleep, man.
Why? I don't eat for today, honestly.
Thing hurt.
It make I want to tell you the truth, I gang or drink. I take what 1 and 2 because and then I still not eat up to now. Then they may end up talking in Spanish, so I may have to get me translator beside me. I mean, a lot of things catch me today. You feel me? But that
They know
way,
they want to sit up on the podcast. Honduras cracked down on protest tied to land dispute.
look what they say.
They don't know land dispute that the government of Honduras want to take over the Garifuna land. The same thing where they
Same
happen in
happen,
Greater Belize, but
St. Mike and
same by the
Hopkins,
Hopkins, we talk about it. Or
yeah.
thing
They
that
go
start to
all
happen.
over to the stupidness.
We the Beach Boys.
Correct? How you think we calves get big? Huh?
Look at that, why?
Look what they do, boy.
All right, with that said, that's you, man. I don't have, man, I just.
We can't continue with the conversation, folks. It kind of different for the onset.
Yeah, true, but I can't wait.
We
Great grandparents are back
yeah,
there.
my granny
Yeah,
are from that
you
side.
don't know, Paki.
Yeah, Paki, we people.
You travel there, you are still with people. I don't travel there. I talk to people look just like me.
Paki, they got 4 of you there. The Honduras.
Yeah.
You are frightened when you go there.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm okay with them, man.
Lot of Paki there.
Lot of Paki there. We are one people.
I'm okay.
See,
Well, we're going.
song.
We're going there, Pak. You don't worry. You don't worry. You are going to show them one of these 2 days.
When they live,
We're live. I could the whole show them in.
right? Honduras Serrata, Paki.
Yeah, we are going the whole show them in. We're going there.
Honduras Serrata, Paki.
Why? I wonder actually. I wonder how you behave that team.
I hope you can't go left way. Okay, you don't know that.
Who?
Why you that think you take chance?
Paki? Why?
You think you are left way?
When
I no come back?
we're gonna San Pedro together.
I know.
We're gonna believe it together.
We're gonna come alone.
We're gonna come along. This buyer travel more than anybody else. Why would they try? Why try to get a visa? Why?
Yeah, we
Why?
why?
I wonder how they buy that states are behaving when they say packet.
You know want come. You know come back.
You're married.
You know come back.
Packy, you're married.
Yeah, next year I'm this gift one if you time passport.
Ah. Why? How if you go see there, Michael Jordan shoes and anything where you like the slippers there. You know how I come back.
You know come back. You know come.
So I don't think we are carrying here that stays with me.
We were carrying on our quick weekend trip. Work business.
Yeah, work.
Yeah, work
You know how I work.
and back. Hey, but honestly, folks, on a serious note, make we pray for brothers and our sisters over at San Juan, Honduras. But if we have to carry so much boats, fire to and boat, then we work on that.
Yeah, but before we go at tree,
Yeah,
we want to get one on here, right?
I give it something, make we light.
We want to get one on here. Right? You want
The
to last
candle.
for 7 years,
Yeah, and light.
right? In honor of our brothers and
our
sisters
sisters.
in San Juan. All right. You got light that tree,
Yes, man.
right?
I
Our left is right now in studios,
light.
right? Lit for our people in San Juan.
Yes, man.
All right.
No,
And
no, about
this,
it, okay, I got
this light is going to guide them. This light to keep them warm when it's cold.
Mhm.
You know, this
I
light.
like it.
Young SMC, please light that for us, please.
Light up, okay, light up.
Right? We want to leave that here in the studios burning
Yeah.
for our people in San Juan. All right?
I remember, even if you don't know a Garifuna,
Let me write that back.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Uno be a part of the
We cut
movement,
off the fan there back so the thing don't blow.
right? Uno be a part of the movement because it could be any ethnicity, and we are defend, we are protect, we are the defender as well, right? But right now that we, the
Yeah, we
Garifuna,
take
that we the technique right now.
Technically.
Okay? So Marie's like I said, maybe I don't know.
But
Maybe
you don't know how.
that was never out, okay?
Can't hold, okay? We ancestors did.
I'm so pretty that I start like no play me like that. This you know, this a hazard.
Right? So this light tonight, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys, this is serious way. Look, we have fun every time.
Yeah,
right.
but tonight,
But tonight it's not fun. It
Mm-mm.
really, we can't, we feel helpless tonight.
yeah,
About 200 military police went into San Juan Honduras, a village on the coast of Honduras, and just ransacked the place. So I want you to know, you don't know them people personally, but they're like our distant cousin we not meet before.
Correct.
But he's your blood cousin. We
Correct.
wouldn't want to see that person murdered, and we wouldn't want to see them missing because a lot of people turn up missing. And we want to light this candle tonight in honor for our people to stay protected by the ancestors. And you're not going out. It's so beautiful that in your life.
But so that's not spark, bro. You know, out.
That can't out.
Can't.
Can't out. Look at that.
So pretty. That we people is the guy right there.
Right? So this is some real SHIT.
Yeah, real deal.
Right? It's a real deal, ladies.
On a go on Kopal, light up.
Light up.
Light on a Kopal, light on a candle. Make we come together, teach the kids if and know that this is what it happened to our people. So make they get it understanding. We don't want this happen. They don't try bring the stupidness wrong this side, but we are make sure it don't happen. So
right.
Make sure. So with that said, Maurice, if you have any words, like
last words, man. I feel defenseless right now.
Rough.
Pray for our people.
Rough.
And for those who can make it on Monday,
we
try
will
to make it like more information.
Yes, we are share it on the page. We are the out on the live. We are make sure you know that we went and Belize City front at the Honduran embassy because that Bale was sending the army. He know about it. Who sending it?
The Honduran military.
The president.
President, right?
The president. So we are visit the Honduran embassy at Belize City. Picket protest in front of them.
All right.
So stay tuned for more information on that, all right? For now, special edition of South Coast, we're gone. We're going to live it up with love, man. All right, we're gone. Paki, we could take it. No, I'll make Maurice for that. Ayo. We're gone. We'll live it up with love, man.
Why no?
Batman.
Yeah, people come on now. People come on now. Come on late, but